Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of tech, but with a super cool twist. We're going to learn how to be healthy tech superstars. That's right, using our devices can be fun and educational, but just like with anything awesome, there are some tricks to make sure it stays that way. Let's jump right into our top tech habits every kid should know. Tip 1. Think before you click. Hey there, young explorer. The internet is like a massive playground full of wonders and adventures waiting for you. Just like in a playground, there are some areas that might not be the safest for us to roam around. That's where think before you click becomes your superpower. It's like having a safety shield that helps you navigate the online world securely. Imagine you stumble upon a link that looks intriguing, but you're not quite sure where it leads. Think of it as a brightly colored mushroom. It might look exciting, but you never know what surprises it holds. Before you click, look out for a tiny padlock button on the web page. This little lock is like a secret code that tells you if the web page is secure and safe to explore. Remember, a safe web page is like a well-marked path on the playground. Clear, safe, and ready for your adventures. If you're still unsure, even after checking the padlock, it's always a great idea to talk to your parents or guardians, your trusted grown-up guides on the internet. They'll help you understand the conditions a web page must meet before it's considered safe, just like making sure a playground is safe to play in. There are tons of websites and apps designed just for kids, like special zones on the playground made just for you. By using your think before you click skill and checking for the padlock, you're ensuring that your online journeys are always exciting and rewarding. So be a smart explorer and remember to ask for help from an adult if you ever feel unsure. Tip 2. Power down for play up. Our brains are amazing. They work hard to help us learn and be creative, but just like any muscle, they need a break sometimes. That's where the power down for play up trick comes in. When you finish watching a video, instead of jumping right back to another screen, take a break. Head outside for some fresh air. Build a pillow fort or grab your art supplies. By giving your brain a chance to relax and recharge, you'll be surprised by how much more creative and energized you feel. Plus, all that playtime might even spark some awesome ideas for your next YouTube adventure. So next time you feel like your brain needs a break, remember, power down for play up. Do you want to find out more on top tech habits every kid should know? Stay with us. Tip 3. You're the boss of the beep. Our devices are awesome, but sometimes those notifications and beeps can be like playground bullies trying to keep us stuck in one spot. Don't worry though, you're in charge. You are the boss of the beep. Talk to your parents or guardians about setting screen time limits. These limits are like invisible fences that make sure you get to enjoy all the fun apps and games without getting overwhelmed. You can even be the timer master by setting alarms to tell you when your screen time is up. Remember, there's a whole world outside the digital playground. After your screen time is done, explore other adventures like reading, drawing, or playing outside. Being the boss of the beep means being in control of your tech use. By working with your grown-ups and setting limits, you can make sure your time with devices is always fun and healthy. Tip 4. Be a kindness superhero online. The internet is like a giant clubhouse where we can connect with people from everywhere. We can share ideas, laugh together, and make new friends. But just like any clubhouse, it's important to be kind to everyone inside. Here's where you become a kindness superhero online. Remember, there's a real person behind every screen, so treat everyone with respect and positivity. just like you'd want to be treated. If you see someone being unkind, don't be afraid to speak up in a friendly way. You can support the person being targeted or remind everyone to be cool. Kindness is contagious, so spread sunshine by leaving positive comments, sharing funny things, and just being an overall ray of light online. By being a kindness superhero online, you're making the internet a brighter place for everyone. It's like making the clubhouse a more welcoming space with comfy chairs and cool decorations. Everyone will enjoy hanging out there more. So spread the kindness, stand up for what's right, and remember, with a little online kindness, you can be a true superhero. And those are our top tech habits that every kid should know. Practice them every day to become a tech superhero. What are your favorite healthy tech habits? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time with more fun tips and tricks.